for your patience. Please stay on the line while we prepare to connect you to a customer service specialist. Your call matters to us, and we will attend to you shortly. Did you know that with the LBC Connect app, you and your loved ones can keep track of your padala with just a few taps? Download the LBC Connect app to track your package with just a few taps. It is available for download on the iOS App Store, Google Play, and Huawei App Gallery. You can also track your package easily from any browser by visiting www.lbcexpress.com. Hello ka-LBC! Mag-send ng package or document nang hindi lumalabas with LBC's free pickup service. Hassle-free at ang dali pa. Just visit www.lbcexpress.com. Book na! Hello ka-LBC! Mas pinadali pa ang pagpapadala with LBC online booking with free pickup service. Visit www.lbcexpress.com. Dali at mag-book na!